All right, everyone. First step is always going to be clean around your client's hairline. You also want to make sure you're getting back there behind the ears because that's a very, very important step to do, especially if you want your lace to stick in those areas. Make sure you lay your client's hairline down completely and smooth it all the way back because this is going to assure that you have a long-lasting, clean, and neat install. Once you have molded your client's hairline back, you can go ahead and take the stuck on you styling gel or a gel of your preference, put it around the hairline, spray some other holding spray or spritz, sit them under the dryer, allow it to mold, and then you're going to proceed to just cutting the excess pieces of the cap off, put the makeup, and I used the beauty blender in this video. I also have some new products that will be dropping on my website on this Friday, the 29th. And this is a lace front wig. It's 180% density from Nadula's Hair Company. I really love working with this brand because this wig is very true to the density. It's very full and it fits very good on my client. The lace is also very natural and you'll see once you know I get it molded on down. These 3-in-1 tools can also be purchased from hairbyerickaJ.com. And like I said in my other videos, if you happen to watch my video when the items say that they are out of stock, they are not out of stock. I'm just not putting anything on the website until Black Friday so I can give everyone a fair chance so you all can be prepared and I get the word out in a good enough time. But I'm also going to attach in some client reviews, some customer reviews. These are not paid reviews. These are actual clients that purchased the adhesive from me. And I'm going to attach some pictures and the reviews that they left me and text me and everything, just so you guys can know how the adhesive actually works. Yes, I love it. It's my brand, but I want you guys to see other reviews, not just from me because it's my company. This wig actually fits really good on her. It's just on the other side, the lace was a little tad bit longer, but that's really an easy fix. Once you have the adhesive and the lace cleaned on and melted down together, you can go ahead and just cut around the ears if need be. Like on the other side, I didn't really have to cut around the ears, but on this side, it was a little bit longer, and that's completely easy to do. And once you do that, you want to take the small fine tooth comb and you want to comb it on in. Now, the technique that I'm going to be showing you, you don't really have to worry about the adhesive being right on the hairline because we're going to go in and fix it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. This is going to be a mess-free, very beginner-friendly. This is a technique that I teach in my classes. The adhesive that we put on first, those were 3 layers. The adhesive that we put on first, that is just going to secure the wig and make sure that it's not going to move and go anywhere. This cosmetic palette is going to be your BFF. Say no, say goodbye to putting makeup on your skin. Say no and say goodbye to putting any other products like glue, anything that you may use throughout your styling process. Say goodbye to that and say hello to these mess-free palettes. These will be on hairbyerickaJ.com, and you can assure that you will get a neat and very precise install with using these because once you lift the lace backwards, it's going to be so easy for you to put that tool on under the lace without any messes and without anything going wrong. The only way you can do this technique wrong is if you're just rushing and not taking your time. I have seen so many wonderful and beautiful results with teaching this technique in my class versus just putting the glue all around the hairline and just trying to guess where the lace will actually lay. This technique is very dependable, and you can assure that you're going to get great results with it. Just look how well this lace melts down. Shout out to y'all, Nadula. Y'all really did this, and the adhesive works amazing. But like I said, I'm going to attach the reviews for you guys to see for yourself. You can go ahead and do the same exact process around the whole front of the wig where you need to go in and put more adhesive so it can lay down. Now I'm going to take my C Lux Extension Silkening Mist, spray this on While the hair is not styled or anything yet, I haven't even put a flat iron to it yet. I'm just going to spray this on here, take my blow dryer and put it on the heat and just make sure that I get in every single piece and part of the hair. I really love this hair. Like, it looks so natural. I really love to work with this company. Like, this is one of my favorite and dependable companies to work with. I want you guys to just get into this. I haven't done anything besides use the silkening mist, using the blow dryer, and now I'm going in with my hot comb and just pressing out the roots. Now I'm going to take the Frizz Bully wax stick, put it on the hair, and you guys are going to be able to see the difference for yourselves. The hairstyle that I'm actually going to be doing today is inspired by Eric. Hold up. Get into the freaking melt. Get into it, please. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you turn on your notifications so you can be prepared whenever I drop a new video. Get into the melt, please. Like, where's the lace? This is literally her own hair. This is coming out of her scalp. Anywho, I got too carried away, and I just want to put this out there. This is not even an HD or transparent lace. This is just a Swiss light brown lace, and you can tell that the Swiss light brown lace is actually true to being a Swiss light brown lace, because my client is clearly very light skinned and it doesn't look dark on her at all. Once I have done that, after I use my silkening mist, I took the silk serum from Celux Extensions as well. I put that on the hair, and I'm just going to press it out because the hairstyle we're doing today is going to be inspired by one of the hair gods in this industry, ErickaJ. And he did this hairstyle a few weeks ago, and I'm just going to be mimicking it and trying it on my client. Now, the baby hair. Today, we're going to be doing the baby hair without the styling foam. Today, we're going to be doing the baby hair with a totally different technique. I've done this on my channel before, but I really don't know which video it was on or anything. But anywho, once you get your baby hair cut, you want to take the Frizz Bully wax stick, take some holding spray. I have two different holding sprays that I use when I do this technique. I use the Got2b holding spray, and then I use the Suave Extreme Hold holding spray. Now, you can get all of these products from the freaking dollar store. Like, I got the Got2b and the holding spray from Suave from the freaking dollar store. And what you want to do is take the Suave and spray it on the actual hairline first. Then you want to just only use the Got2b styling spray on the brush. This is the same 3-in-1 tool that I used to smooth the glue out. And now I'm using the opposite side to create the baby hair. This is something you have to play with, but this is also something that you don't really have to worry about your lace lifting up on. For this particular style, I need the baby hair to be laid down. I don't really want to go for the fluffy look because I want the baby hair laid down for this technique. It still looks soft, it still looks natural, but it's not going to give me that fluffy look that the styling foam does. This style is just something that you can do on your own. It's just something that you can follow along with. Oh, just get into that, please. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is something that you can just do on your own. It's not really something that I can explain. This is really like an old throwback style that we used to wear back in the days with the butterfly clips where the rubber bands are. So you literally just twist it, rubber band it, proceed to whatever you want to do next. And this is also a transformation video, so enjoy this next clip. I also want to mention how amazing this lace front wig is because of how deep the parts go. This face was beat to the freaking gods, hunty, by Beat by Court. She is located in Savannah, Georgia. If you're ever in this area or if you live in this area, please go to her. She's very dependable and she's going to get you slayed. She also has her own palette. So if you're into makeup, these are on to be on her website. And I just love the way this face is done. It's not overdone. She still looks like herself, but just with a little glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the reviews for that adhesive is coming up next. Also, get into how bone straight this hair is. It was body wave,